Idol is known for their multi-talented, multi-talent singing, songwriter, and musicians who shines in the world of mainstream pop. With her dynamic performances and genre-blending music, she captivates audience with every note. Raise your big lights and get ready to roar. Our Dino Idol is crashing the stage, bringing energy, passion, and unforgettable music. Let's give a round of applause to Miss Zia Mel! And I'm really happy. So bago lahat, hi guys, I'm Zia Mel, also known as Zia, and I'm a kawaii baby idol. So guys, I'm the Zia Amazing Pink Idol, and it's actually my first time back on stage as a soloist. Kaya medyo kinakabahan ako actually. So yeah, hi guys, and to everyone out there na nanonood, second floor, third floor, hi, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you will enjoy this event para makilala niyo rin yung community namin actually. Ang bilis ko hingalin kasi kakagaling ko lang sa sakit guys, I'm very sorry. 2-week break muna tayo. Alright, alam niyo ba yung unang song na kinanta ko?
Yes!
Yes! What song is that?
Centimeter!
Yeah, Centimeter from what anime?
Rent a Girlfriend!
Yeah, may nanonood pala ng Rent a Girlfriend. Actually, hindi ko pinapanood ng Rent a Girlfriend dati. Pero, favorite ko kasi ang The Peggies. So, yeah, actually yun yung naging daan. I really love music. And, yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. Kumain na ba kayo? Bakit hindi pa kayo kumakain? It's like lunchtime already. Alright, so sa mga hindi pa kumakain dyan, there's a lot of food stalls right here. And we have Minute Burger right there, you guys. So, bili lang kayo dyan. Ay, endorser. Kala mo ko sino eh. Charot lang. So, for my next song, this is actually a personal favorite of mine. And I've been performing this ever since I became a soloist. This is really dear to me. And if ever, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako kasi may ubo pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Pero yeah, I hope you enjoy. This is Chotokimeki Sentendo Sugicha. Kono kimochi スキースキースキースキースキースキー君が君で張るためのスーツ全てが味とそのまだまだ落ちきれないいつか報われますよ君がくれたたくさんの命のすべてが共にそうなんだもうダメだこの想いがぎゅっと伝わりますよSo I hope i-like niyo ako back, especially sa mga new faces that I'm seeing here, new people. So yeah, you can follow me at ZML on all social media pages, guys. Nakita ko sa ilalim no? So that's ZIAMELLE, ZML po, guys. Minsan Jamel. Victory Mall Plaza, right. I was corrected. Thank you very much. So, yung next two songs, actually, last minute ko lang siya nailagay. I was supposed to sing other songs, pero dahil na nagkasakit si ate girl, can't do that. So I have to change it last minute. So I hope you can forgive me, guys. Hindi ko muna maipapakita ang actual na setlist ko. Kaya wala akong post. Pero for you to stay tuned for more updates din sa akin, follow nyo lang po, guys. Especially sa YouTube because I will be posting a lot there. For my next song, this is very sikat. Actually, itong dalawang songs na to, very sikat to. So if alam nyo, sabayan nyo ko. Guys. Actually, kayo lang. Huwag niyo kayo dapat. Na-discover ko lang yung song, guys. So, that was Colors by Flo. Also known as Chibulo. I'm just kidding. May mga fans ba ng Flow dito? Ayun. Tama behavior. You are cultured. Charis. So yung next song ko, please forgive me kasi hindi ko masyadong saulado yung lyrics. And I think makakancel na ako. Charot. Because this is also a well-known song. Who are fans here of Naruto Shippuden? I'm pretty sure even the casuals know Naruto. Kasi marami akong kilala na pag sinabi, may alam mo kayong anime, they say Naruto. So I guess, this is Silhouette by Kanabun. Ayun, kumain siya, kaya marami siyang energy. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kumain na rin kayo, ha? After ko dito, nakain kayo, ha? Magagalit ako. Tsaka, sino ba ako para magalit, guys? Ito lang naman kasi ako, eh. Sisiyam lang naman to, guys. Pero, in all seriousness, huwag kayong magpapagutom habang nag-enjoy dito sa con. Mas masarap mag-enjoy ng con kapag busog, you guys, okay? Tandaan niyo yan. I have a last song, guys. Wait lang.
Anong last song?
Last na inom. Bago tayo mag-last song, you guys.
Okay, good.
Drink well down for me. Thank you. So before I go to my final song, I would like to thank Cosplay Unity for inviting me here. Kasi nakakatuwa kasi yun nga, first time ko ulit here in the stage as a soloist. So I'm really thankful for this wonderful opportunity. To everyone who is watching me right now and nagsistay, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ayan. And I hope you stay kasi marami pa pong ibang performers dito. And pwede po kayo mag-ikot sa mga booths natin dyan. Marami po tayong goodies dyan. So, malay nyo, may matikuhan kayo, mabudol pa kayo. Pero huwag kayo matulad sa akin. Konti na lang gagapang na ako pag joke lang. Alright. My last song is actually a K-pop song. But, I used the Japanese version to commemorate the theme of the Idol Fair. So, this is by Twice. I hope maraming ones dito. And I'll be just giving you two choices, you guys. Kung gusto niyo ko, yes or yes. I'm gonna make this simple for you. You have two choices. Yes or yes!
talaga ako kanina. Hindi ako...
Mapapashishabol. Shishabol.
Sishabol?
Ah, zishabol.
Risha mo.
Wow! Grabe. Napayas ba ang ating mga audience?
Sabi niya, ito daw, ano?
Bakit na?
Uy, huwag niyong paiyakin.
Oh.
Grabe.
Kamusta yung sila napayas? Yung dito sa gilid, pati sa taas, napayas pa sila.
Napayas ba ang lahat? Dito sa gilid, yes ba? Eh, dito sa kabila.
Oo,
Grabe. Napayas ang lahat.
Shish! Walang no choice eh. Yes or yes na
Ay,
pagpipili.
ganun ba?
Bakit nagdong iiyak? Char!
Ay, ganun. Pwede or, ay, joke lang.
Pwede naman kasi.
Ay, ganyan na.
Eh, yes na yes ako sa'yo eh.
Wala anyways, kumusta? Pag-perform sa cosplay fair, idol fair.
It's very fun kasi sobrang engaging ng audience. Thank you, Victory!
Ang galing. And also, napansin ka, the way na magsalita siya, so professional.
Pinong ko pa yan ah. Grabe. Parang
Grabe.
mahawakan din.
Grabe, nag-promote ng booth, ng idols, pati ng pagkain.
Grabe yung pag-promote
Grabe.
sa Minute Burger eh. Burger na burger.
Burger ka sa akin, yan. Yan ang burger. Yan ang katak pa. Ayan. So, ayun. May tatanong siya sa'yo actually. So,
Ay, of course. Miss Tia Mel, akin yung tell us saan ka namin pwedeng i-follow, what are your social medias, para, ayan, ma-stalk ka ng lahat. Ma-stalk ng lahat.
Uy! Huwag ganun, ba't yun?
Para ma-stalk kita.
Ay, ganun. Alright. Sige. Again, hi guys. I'm Siamel, a solo artist here in the Philippines. You can find me on all social media platforms as in Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, as in everywhere. Pag di niyo ako nahanap doon, hindi wala ako doon. So that's at Siamel, Ziamelle. That's everywhere, you guys. Also on Spotify, you guys. Please stream my first single for you guys.
Wow, anong name ng first single natin?
For you by Siamel.
For me!
For
Kaya
you!
yung title
Oh my
kasi, yung title.
Kaya, hindi mo na ako inayakap sumaya.
Ayoko.
Minsan na nga lang for you eh.
Ayoko nga.
Eh, Mrs. Tia Mel, saan ka namin next na makikita?
Actually, sana guys, malapit-lapit lang rin dito. You can find me next event POF, you guys. So, sa mga atin ng POF. But I will not be alone. I will be with my duo. So please catch Ju on POF.
Ayun yung may heart, yung nag-heart siya. Ayun siya, no.
Pwede bang pasample naman nung first single? Kahit one line lang.
Alright. Wanting you now, waiting for you. I'm patient for you.
Grabe.
galing
For you
talaga.
talaga.
Napasaya
Walang
ako.
baka naman dyan, guys.
Napagalang-galang ako eh.
Naramdaman ko yung para sa akin talaga.
Tawag doon, yammers. Yammers.
Jammers.
Jammers.
Jammers. Parang Phoenix Burger. Burger.
Yammers. So, igawad mo na ang kanyang parangal
Oh,
ngayong
yes.
araw. Dito sa Victory Mall.
From Cosplay Unity Idol, this certificate of recognition is for CML for participating on Cosplay Unity Idol Fair as a special guest on 2025 at Victory Mall Plaza Monumento. Thank you so much. Picture po tayo.
Picture tayo, picture.
So, kung gusto niyo po mag-selfie mamaya, lapit po kayo dito, so we can take a picture.
Yan! Ay, isa pa daw, isa pa daw. Oo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yan.
Thank you so much.
Yan, thank you so much. Baka gusto mo mag-selfie tayo with them. With them naman, oh.
Mag-selfie.
Ay,
Selfie, cellphone.
saksan.
Cellphone, selfie.
Ano?
Ayan eh, ano pala ito pala ni Gendy? Ayun oh. Ito. Ito kuya.
pwede po lumapit.
Lapit kayo, lapit kayo. Pwede kayo lumapit. Punta kayo dito sa harap.
Yes po.
Okay,
Lapit
guys,
po kayo.
1, 2, 3. Thank you very
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you, Ate Sino.
Sana makita ko pa natin next time.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Saan ka? Makikita natin ulit siya sa BOL.
Yun,
Right?
POL. So what? Ayun. So, makikita niyo siya kung saan saan. So, thank you very much, Ate Sino.
Thank you din po so much. Bye guys! Kain na kayo ah!
Bye-bye, Miss Liam. Oh my God, kinilig ako doon.